Yes.
So, how was your day, ma'am?
Yes, today day was very nice, because I had conversation with three persons. Yeah, so yeah, so I like to,
Great.
and they always knew. Yeah,
Okay, very nice. Okay, in those conversation, what did you talk?
yeah. One lady was from Mumbai, so we had a long talk about Mumbai. As you know, long back, even I was staying in Mumbai. So yeah, we were discussing many things about the culture, about the delicacies, those kind of. And one to boy I have spoken to. His name is, his official name is Chotu.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am, he was lady.
No, he's a boy. I'm telling you the
Yeah.
second. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay,
So,
okay.
and I
Okay.
told him, like your name Chotu, you have a cute name, and he was looking cute, like a child. He was looking young. So I like
Okay.
talking to him. Yeah. So yesterday, no, I'm telling you, like we were talking that day, we were having conversation, no, like Antakshari we were doing. And
Yeah.
yesterday, while on an audio call, one boy, Danish Khan, so we had a long chat with him on audio. So
Okay.
yeah, even I liked his the way to learn to get a fluency. What he did, he gave me a word like garden, like car. Then we have to speak in the future tense. He even gave me a word. I had to speak on the word in past tense. So even that way was good. Yeah,
Okay.
anything. Yeah.
So today you have to start, ma'am. Anything you can start.
Okay, right. So yeah. Today I had been to market for to buy some articles like not articles I mean to say about my grocery items. It's been a long time that it was due. So I told my husband, let's go, and so he told not in the afternoon, we'll be going in the evening because afternoons are very hot these days. So yeah, in the evening we went to a shop, and there I had missed my list, the list where I had written the items, noted the items of I have to buy. So and what to say, that paper where I have written the items which I need to buy, so I just forgot it at home. So then it created a problem for me. So the whatever I remembered in my mind, and I took back. But yeah, there were the only few items which I remembered. Now you.
Okay. So there was few items I remembered. I just bought those things, but many of things was important to be purchased, but I did not purchase anything. So I had to purchase. It was quite important. It was vital to purchase. I started heading towards my home, and then I saw I am supposed to purchase this. So I started purchasing those things. Suddenly, out of nowhere, my one of my friends came across to me, and she started having conversation. We were having conversation about our childhood memory then.
Okay, yeah. So we had a like about her childhood memories. She was in my school only, and she was in my class too. So she told me while having conversation, she remembered that there was one of her teacher, like he was teaching English to us in class 8. So she told me that, Alka, I have met that teacher of ours. So I was just, I was so surprised. How could you meet? He was living in a different city. So she told, no, he was in Lucknow only. I have met him, and he has transferred to this place, and he is teaching in some school. So I got to meet him, and he was asking for you, about you also. So what Alka is doing these days? So I told him everything about you, and maybe he even wants to meet you. And one day, maybe I'll accompany him to your house any day. Yeah.
Okay, and after that, she left from there, and I walking through the park simultaneously. I saw, I noticed a group of children. They were flying their kite, and seeing them, I got excited. I felt like that I also wanted to fly the kite. The air was filled with the joy, with the excitement, and I also wanted to go there to fly the kite. but I did not go there, and I stopped myself. Hardly managed to myself to control myself that no, 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 Shilpa, you are not like a child that you have to go there. So I stopped myself, but I was just I kept watching them, looking them, and after that I saw that. I started reminding me that one of my childhood memory. I started remember that how we used to play like the same way then.
But anyhow, yeah, anyhow, it was when I was a child, I used to fly kites, right? And I loved to fly kites. So I thought if I didn't get the chance of flying today, then maybe I'll bring a kite of my own and I'll try to fly it on my terrace. So one day I went to the market and I brought two kites from there and just to get back my childhood memories. So I told my mother that I'm going on a terrace to fly a kite, and she told me, "Are you not a child to fly kites? So why you need to fly kite?" I told, "No, I just want to have good memories. I love because I miss so much. I've not for so many years. I've not flied kite. So today I'll be what to say. I'll be today I'll be doing this. Okay, yeah. So I just started. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, while I was flying the kites,
yeah.
I was flying kites along with my siblings. One of my siblings fell down and he got injured. Suddenly, I got scared and I rushed him to my hospital. And I immediately called my family member. Then my family member gathered over there immediately, and they started yelling at me that why did you go there, why you were flying the kites, you are growing, and why don't you look at yourself that you are not like a child. So i was uh, I was yelled so much. So but however I kept quiet. She was being treated there, and then
Yeah, after the doctor gave treatment, and my sister, no, that child was your brother, right? Okay,
brother.
okay. This is a brother of mine. The doctor gave the first aid treatment to my brother, and he was crying, because that medicine was hurting him a lot. So yeah, and my father, he patted him and said nothing. These kind of things often happen to children. So there's no need to worry. Come on, let's go home and take a rest over there. So we just brought him home, and he laid down, and after a while he slept. So my mother told me, "Oh, need not go anywhere today. You just be at home and look after your brother." So yeah, and for evening I waited for him to get up, and he got up, and he was happy because the medicine had given him a much relax. He was much relaxed after getting the medicine. Yes.
Okay, after 2 to 3 days, she felt good, and it was raining outside. I felt like go outside to enjoy the weather, the rain. So I wanted to go outside, but my mom was there, and she never wanted that I should go outside. So my mom went away from somewhere from the point. I just went outside, and no sooner did I go outside, it started raining cats and dogs. Then I started thinking that I should have taken an umbrella along with me. So, but I got forget, and I did not go think about it that that I would drench. I would get drenched. Me reminding my mother things that she never wanted to me to go outside. However, I came out, and when I got completely drenched, I started caring that what if I go again at my home. So I hardly knocked the door, but I got completely drenched, and my mom opened the door and staring. Na, she started staring me then.
Okay, she started staring me and she asked me, where have you been? For it's been so long, where had you been? So I told her about my incident, what happened, and I was drenched. So she told me to just change your clothes because you may fall sick or you may have cold, you may get cold because you are fully drenched in the water. So after that, yeah, I changed my clothes and in the meantime, my bell rang and after changing the clothes, I just came back. I just after changing my clothes, I came in the room, and then I was so happy to see a friend of mine has just came to my house, and yeah, and we both started gossiping, and I told her the incident what had happened yesterday, and she also told like yeah, even I have been to market, and like you, even I was dressed, and I had slipped in that rain. So when I came back home, my friend was narrating, and when I came back home, so my mother was scolding me. You have been so grown up, and you don't know that we don't have to go in the rains. So these kind of things we were talking about each other. So then in the meantime, my mother, she came with because as it was raining and the weather was also good, and so my mother, she was making pakoras for us, and yeah, and she just invited both of us on the dining for to have pakoras and tea as well as tea. Yeah.
And that pakoda and tea filled the air. I was quite happy. I was over the moon that I was having pakoda along with the tea and along with my mother, with my siblings. So that moment was amazing, and I was feeling quite joy. I rejoiced the moment.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, I
See,
rejoiced.
yeah, see, for pakoras we call fritters, right?
Yes,
I just
yes.
forgot. I
Please,
just forgot. Yeah.
okay, it's
So,
okay.
yeah. So
Yes.
where you ended? Where did you end?
So where I ended, I forgot it.
Okay. Never mind.
Let me remember the joy, and I was quite happy. I
Yeah.
rejoiced the
Yeah.
moment,
Okay.
and I never wanted to lose that moment. Never ever.
Yeah.
So after that, after that, after some time in the night, I had the dinner. We started having conversation along with my mother. I was narrated everything about the day, what was happened in the morning to till, and then we had my mom started making me understand everything, what is the right things, what is the wrong things. She was telling me, and while listening, I got slept.
Okay. So yeah, I got slept in the morning when I got up. I came to my brother's place where he was sleeping for the night. So yeah, he was awake. I asked him, how is your wound? That show me. Are you okay? Are you feeling well? So he told yes, I am feeling well, but I won't be going to school today because he wanted to have a holiday. Just he wanted to bunk a school that day. So he told, no, I won't be going to school today. So from just listening to our conversation, my father came in the room and he told, why, you have to go to school. There's nothing to worry about this. But yeah, jokingly he was saying, nothing to worry about this. But yeah, so listening to his father, he told, yes, but I'm already late. So your father told, no, no, I'll be taking you on a car and come on, I'll leave you to the school today. And you have to go because from tomorrow your exams are commencing from tomorrow, and that I have to leave you to the school. So yeah. So we all, even I went with my father along with my brother, and we went there to the school. And yes, because as it was raining, the school had already closed for that day. And my brother was really, he was so happy, he literally was jumping because he had a holiday, and he wanted to, even he wanted to have to enjoy that day. Yeah, and we came back.
As he wanted to get, as he wanted to have the holiday, and uh, he did not do anything. However, he got the time, he got the holiday. He was over the moon, and his joyness, his joys was was countless.
Yeah, yeah,
So after that, he After that, I, along with my father, came back to my home, and after that, I was doing work on my laptop, and suddenly the sound emanating from the door. I stopped short immediately, and I walked up the door. I opened the door, where I saw that my brother, who who was happy, he got completely drenched because it was raining outside.
Yeah.
So he got completely drenched then.
And he got completely drenched. And my mother, she was very angry, I should say. She was very angry to see him again. He might, yeah, my brother might again, as he was going out. What did you say? He was going out, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, so
he actually he got outside because he got holiday. So
yeah.
he got the opportunity, na?
Yeah. So he got the opportunity to play outside with his friends. So, but my mother didn't allow because the overshadowed with the clouds here.
Building, yes,
Yeah. So my mother told him already you had a wound the day before. So I'm not allowing you to go again to the. You might slip, and anything can happen you because you might catch fever or cold, anything. So you did not go and you just be at home and call your immediate neighbor to a house and you both play some indoor games. So yeah, he called his friend and they both started playing carrom board in a house, only in the house.
and we started playing carom board along with my family. We were having and we were enjoying the moment, the present moment,
Yeah.
and that moment was amazing. And I never ever forgot that moment.
Okay, should we end the story?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So that was a really nice conversation.
Yes,
The mind automatically has to work, that time.
yes.
Yeah.
We keep thinking about the story. What should be
Oh,
next?
what should I, yeah, next,
Yes,
what should I communicate next,
yes.
yeah.
We
Okay.
keep thinking. After a long time, I'm practicing English because of my office work. I don't get time. I have
Shilpa, there's no need for you to practice. Already your English is so good. I
thank,
really appreciate, yeah, I appreciate your English. You are very nice, yeah.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
But
So,
definitely we will try the different technique. As you told
yeah.
me that we will pick any word, then we
Yeah.
will speak.
So yesterday, no, yeah. While on a audio, no, that was started like car. I had a car and I bought this kind of a car and we went there and we did this
Yes,
and
yes,
that.
yes, yes,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes. We will try to use simple one word, and then we have to speak as much as we can.
Yeah, right, right, right.
So I think it's your time to go sleep.
No,
Did you?
not sleep. No, no, for dinner. It's time for dinner. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We sleep,
Okay.
around 12 each day, always. Yeah.